Sally, that is so cool.
That's a lot of dry ice.
Yeah, it totally is.
It's cold. I can feel it on my legs.
That is just so freaking cool.
Yeah.
Sally, that is so cool.
Oh, look at that. I just smell a lemon. Oh.
It's got dry ice.
That looks so cool, doesn't it? Look at that looks there's a lot of dry ice in there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it totally is.
Wow.
So the answer to that question, what the lemon is, it's
Wow, there's a lot
I
of
was
it.
wondering what that was.
Oh, and I like the fact we had onion.